everyone, my name is Kendrick Kaur. I am the student of plus 2 medical B. Now our today's topic is of physics is derive a relation between resistivity, mass, number density and relaxation time. Or the question may be asked in the form that to prove rho is equals to m upon n e square tau. M is here mass, N is number density, E is electrons and T is relaxation time. So as we know the formula of R, which we have derived in the previous topic, that is reduction of Ohm's law. In this topic we have find the formula of R, that is ml upon n e square ev tau. So we have to put this formula in we have to use this formula in this topic. So first we write at first equation, because we know that R is equals to ml upon n e square a tau. This is first equation R, and we know R is directly proportional to L, and it is inversely proportional to A. So the formula will be R directly proportional to L upon A. So when we replace the sign of proportionality, then we have to put here constant. So we have taken the constant, that is rho. So this we and also R is equals to PL upon A. So we write it equation 2. So from first equation and second equation, we know that the left hand side of both equations are equal. So on comparing first equation and second equation, the formula will be ml upon n e square a tau and rho l upon a. So when we take the value of rho from this formula, so the L will go to here and the A will go to here. So L and L cancel out and the A and A will cancel out. The formula will become m upon n e square tau. So hence proved. This is we have to find out. So this is the formula which we have to calculate or find out. So thank you.